Want to make money from YouTube without showing your face? In 2025, AI can do 90% of the work, and here's exactly how. Want to earn income from YouTube without being on camera? Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up in 2025, and thanks to AI, they're easier than ever to start. Here's exactly how to build one and start earning passive income, step by step. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Stick to what works: AI tools, tech reviews, finance and side hustles, or productivity. The goal? Search-friendly, evergreen content. Step 2. Write the script with AI. Use ChatGPT or Koala Writer to generate engaging scripts. Just give it a prompt like top 5 AI tools to make money, and tweak the tone to match your vibe. You can even train it to sound like your brand. Step 3. Generate voiceover. Use tools like ElevenLabs or Murf AI to turn your text into realistic AI voiceovers. You don't have to speak a word, and it sounds supernatural. Step 4. Create the video with AI. Use InVideo AI or Pictory AI to turn your script and voice into full videos. They add stock footage, captions, transitions, all done for you. Step 5. Design your thumbnail in Canva. Canva makes it simple. Use bold colors, large text, and scroll-stopping images. Your thumbnail equals your click magnet. That's it. You don't need to be on camera or even talk. AI plus YouTube equals passive income in 2025. No experience needed. Comment Faceless Freedom if you want a full beginner setup tutorial. Subscribe for more faceless money ideas using AI.